Yay, Christopher! Wow. All by yourself.
Right?
If he gets on the hardwood floor, it's going to slide inside.
Christopher, where are you going? Don't go.
He's going.
Here, let's turn it around. Come on. We're going to turn it around this way. Okay. Pick yourself up. Let's do it. Okay. Here you go. You hold on. Get going. Okay. Go on, Chris.
He'll push it out of there. Good job.
Yay!
Look at that. He's like, I can do it like this.